Hey guys, I'm Sarah with WTI, and today I am so happy to show you this beautiful perfume. I love this perfume. This is a Paris Hilton body mist that I think works so well for me. Personally, I don't really enjoy having smells that are overly powering, but I like a nice soft musk kind of smell, and if it's sweet, well, that's even more perfect for me. So this I totally love. I could wear this every day. So what I want to show you here is how much product I really need. Is not too much. I will literally just use that much. I like to put it here on a little bit on my clothes, on my neck, and I will notice that even though that's what I wear in the morning, it will last me a long time. So it's great, actually. I don't need to be using this over and over again. So I really like that. And also, I can take this with me in my purse. It's not too big, even though it kind of looks like it's got a lot of product there, but it's not that big. I can actually put that in my purse or leave it in the car because it is something that I use a lot, so I would definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.